Hi, nursery. I have this fun game we wanted to play today, and you'll notice it's a beehive hanging from a little tree branch. And next to it are all the little different pieces that can go on the beehive. And you'll notice they all have letters on them, all 26 letters of the alphabet. And on our beehive, there's lots of different pictures. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to take the letters and cover the picture that it goes with. So we'll match the letter sound to the word on the beehive. I'm going to shift you a little closer so you can see better, which means Mrs. Seapot's closer. Okay, so let's see. If I start with the letter M, Miger, Mumbrella, Melephant. Does anyone see any picture that starts with the sound? Sound. Mish, Mapple, Migloo. Do you see anything? Do you see it? The moon. You got it. The moon started with M. Next, I took off the letter L. I think you guys are going to be able to spot this one quickly. Lol? No. Lun? No. Lanana? No. Lion. Good job. Which one's next? The H. I think you all know. I think I just heard it. The heart. Great job. In nursery, we learned a little bit about these. We were talking about all the birds in springtime, and they build their nests. Do you see a nest anywhere on the beehive? Oh, did you tell me to stop? Go back? Is that the nest? Great job. We'll cover the nest up. Zzz. Bees make that sound, buzz. And that Z ends that word, buzz. Do I just cover the B? No, because the Z's at the end of the word. That's the sound that it makes, not at the beginning. Zote, Zacket, Zelephant, Zebra. Good. Okay. Now remember, I is one of our fun letters that make two sounds, I and I. But I don't see any ice cream. I see an I made of ice. And it's the igloo. Good. Oh, I'm going to reach far over nursery. Now we have the P. P. Pish. Ping. Where do you see something that starts with a P? And I think we all like to eat it. It's the pizza. Oh, let me straighten that out a bit. Pizza. What letter? R. Rabbit? Nope. Roll, rote, rapple, rish, ring. Good, nursery. All right. J. The letter J. J. Some people might call it a coat. But if it's a little lighter, especially for springtime, you can put on your jacket. Your jacket. Okay. That K sound, like a kick. Sometimes it sounds a lot like the C. What do we see? Capel, case, cocoa, no, key. Good job. All right, the letter E, E. Big, gray, an elephant. Great job. S for the letter S. I don't see a picture of Mrs. Seapot on there or Mrs. Shagrew, but I do see a What do you think, nursery? The sun. Great job. The sun. Oh, an O. O. Silly tape, just like our calendar pieces. O for octopus. All right, not that many more left. The C. It's an animal. Do you see the animal that starts with the C? Not a tiger. Kiger. Not a kish, but a cat. Good. You guys are getting so good at your letters and all the sounds that they make. This is the letter G. G. Banana? No. Gumbrella? No. Gapple? Oh, goat? I think you're right. Goat. The letter U. Like up. Under. Umbrella. And I'm so happy it's not raining today. Today's a sunny day. Y for the letter Y. Y. It's a fun game we play. It's a little toy. Yo-yo. Good job, nursery. Okay, almost done. The letter F. And there's not many shapes left on the beehive. I heard it. Fish. But for the fish. For the letter F. And now we have an A. A for apple. Good job, nursery. Wow, I should have done this. Wiger. Wall. Banana. Can you see this one? It's a wagon. Okay, look what I'm going to do, nursery. I'm going to take down my little board right here. And I'm going to just shift it over since we're almost done. Mrs. Seapot probably should have put it on this side. So now we have the letter the letter D. Which way does it go? That's the way it goes. D for doll. Wow, you guys are really good. The B is for banana. And we have two more. The letter V for, we put flowers in it. Vase. And what letter's next, nursery? We only have the tiger showing. So what's the last letter on our piece of paper? The T. The T is for tiger. And now our beehive is all covered. All the little cells for the bees to make honey. I wonder how good our memory is. And if we can remember all the pictures that were under the letters. But I'll have to wait. We'll wait a little bit for that because we'll see if you can remember. And we'll do that another day. Okay, on to the next. Bye, nursery.